economic importance. Now this is inside importance of economics, or you can also call it as other importance of economics. Okay, now we are going to see economic importance or other importance of economics. First one, it helps in decision making by human beings. Now human beings have to take decision. For example, human beings like businessmen who are doing business, lawyers, actors, singers, they all are going to take decisions, right? And everyone is going to take decision to maximize profit. Okay, each and every human being is going to take decision to maximize profit. What do you understand by the term maximize profit? That they will try to earn maximize or maximum money. Human beings such as businessmen, right, will try to earn maximum money. Human beings like lawyer will try to take decisions in order to earn maximum profit. Actors will try to take decisions in order to earn maximum profit. Singers will try to take decision in order to earn maximum profit. Is it clear? The second one is understanding government policy. Now there are two policies that came up right now. One was demonetization, okay, and the second one was GST, which was very much famous. Demonetization का simple मतलब बताऊं तो नोटबंदी, and GST is related to tax. Now if you want to understand both the policies of government, right, policy का मतलब होता है रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. ओके, सो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी का मतलब होता है गवर्नमेंट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. दो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस आए थे, एक था डिमोनेटाइजेशन और अभी एक था जीएसटी, राइट. ये दोनों पॉलिसी है. पॉलिसी का मतलब ये रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस है जो गवर्नमेंट ने खुद बनाए हैं. पहला गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी अथवा तो पहला गवर्नमेंट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन इज डिमोनेटाइजेशन, दैट मीन्स नोटबंदी. सेकंड वन इज जीएसटी, राइट. इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इन अ बेटर मैनर यू नीड टू हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. ओके, नाउ professional decision making. Now when you talk about professional decision making, it means that you have to take decisions, okay, and these decisions should be the best. ओके, कस्टमर किस टाइप के डिसीजन लेंगे? उनके डिसीजन होंगे टू बाय गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट, राइट और रॉन्ग? सो कस्टमर्स विल टेक प्रोफेशनल डिसीजंस. प्रोफेशनल मतलब सबसे अच्छे डिसीजन खुद के फील्ड के अंदर, टू बाय गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स. प्रोड्यूसर्स विल टेक डिसीजन टू प्रोड्यूस गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट. प्रोड्यूसर मतलब द पर्सन हु इज प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एप्पल आईफोन इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, एंड एप्पल विल ट्राई टू प्रोड्यूस गुड्स with the best quality. Goods का मतलब क्या होता है? Product with the best quality. Okay, and the last one is labor. What do you understand by the term labor? Labor means workers who are working on salary. They go to work and they earn salary. Now laborers will take professional decisions so that they get highest salary. So economic helps customers to take decisions. Which kind of decision? To buy a product of the best quality. So if I go to a store to buy a product, I'll make sure that I buy the product of the best quality. Producer means the person who is producing goods and services or product. For example, Apple iPhone, barabar. Now Apple iPhone will try to produce goods and services of the best quality. Now when you talk about labor, they will take professional decisions labor will take professional decisions so that whenever they go to work, they will try to earn maximum amount of salary. Okay, so these are the other importance how economics is helping. First, economics is helping human being in order to earn maximum money. Economic helps people to understand government policy. That means economics help government to understand rules and regulations. Economics helps customer, producer and laborer to take professional decisions.